Let's make a batch of my absolute favorite bakery style blueberry muffins. They are indeed the best blueberry muffins you will ever eat in your life, and everyone that eats one says the same thing. They're bronzed, they're tall, they've got a crumb topping, they're moist, they are divine. Start off by just cracking some eggs into a large bowl, adding some granulated sugar and whisking that until it's really nice and frothy and pale in color. It should just take a couple of minutes. Once there, add in some neutral oil. It could be extra light olive oil, vegetable oil, avocado oil, or even melted butter. Mix that and then add your dry ingredients, reserving just a little tiny bit, and I'll show you why in just a few seconds. Get that mixed in with some buttermilk for added moisture, and then give that a nice whisk. I'm also adding some vanilla powder, but you could use vanilla extract. I'm just on a vanilla powder kick lately. And then with that leftover little dry seasoning mix that we had, I'm going to add in my blueberries and giving them a toss, and by coating them in the flour, it means that they don't sink to the very bottom of the batter once you bake them. Add them to the batter, give them a really nice little fold in with the spatula, mix in, fold in, whatever you want to call it, and then just divide this in your muffin tin. Now I'm using a large ice cream scoop and I'm filling these to the very tippy top, so I get 12 huge muffins. But if you want to get normal size muffins, then just do 18 of them and fill them up 2/3 of the way full. And now we make the topping. It's just all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and mix that with your fingertips. Add in some cold butter, and then just using your fingers or a pastry cutter, you're going to cut that butter into the dry mixture as much as you possibly can, and then just sprinkle that all over the top of your muffins. Pop this into a 400-degree oven for these really big boys that are filled to the very tippy top. They take about 25 minutes, but if you're filling them 2/3 of the way full, they'll take about 20 to 22 minutes. And then once done, let them cool just a little teeny tiny bit before you go in and serve. They are so sublime. I will have the recipe linked for you in the description down below. I hope that you make them. I hope that you love them as much as I do, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.